Traders Anthony here. I'm going to run through the VIP results for the week, and I've just got these marked up in green alphabetically. You can see here the outcome. We had a 2.1R outcome, which was quite nice. I did all this through Tradingview, so you can see this one was a sell here, and you can see where it was closed. So I've just enabled these arrows in Tradingview here, executions. Look, I can open up this is the outcome for the week. Yeah, we had 3 stops hit, and I ended up closing the basket of trades at the end of the week, or today, Friday. It's a paper trading account that I'm using just so it's easy to track, and we can do everything in Tradingview. We can use the indicators, and yeah, it's just very convenient. So Bitcoin was the next one, and just run down this list here. So I'm calling that a 0.35R, so entry point was here, closed in here, approximately a third. I'll call it a 0.3. Euro Oz, yeah, that was a sell based on this trend, so we just got a -1R there. At some stage the trend will go against you, and we just put it down to business expenses. This one, we had 2 trades, Euro Pound, we reached 1.5R, and the other one we got taken out, -1R. Next one was the Pound Yen. You can see where we opened and closed. In fact, this one, 1R was reached, and I was going to close partials on this, and I didn't. And I let it run, and then it kind of turned around. So we'll just call that one a -1R. Kiwi dollar. Entry, this was a limit sell, and you can see here TP. New Zealand dollar, I've got that down at 0.75R. Dollar CAD, this was another one. We just closed this at the end of the week, as I don't really want to hang on to trades into Friday. We'll call this 0.5R, closed here. You can see that over here. And here's an invite, guys. Jump on board with us. Always looking to improve. I mean, 2R is absolutely acceptable. That's a good week. Dollar Yen, you can see the entry and exit points here. We've got 0.5R on that one. And then gold, entry, exit, and I got 0.5 on that one. So all up, a 2R outcome for the week. Just remember the signals are copy friendly. Here's what you get in VIP. Scroll down, the results for the week. Okay, every time I place a dent, we didn't take that trade. That was just an idea. That wasn't a trade signal. But we're going to be placing them in as such, and with a snapshot of the chart after it, videos. And there's also members only videos in here, generally at the beginning of the week, but we scroll up, you can see what we're getting here. So these are copy friendly signals. Tesla, we didn't take that trade, it was just a public video. But VIP, you're going to get specific levels. And yeah, here's an invite to join us on this journey and benefit from not only the trade signals, but you gain access to the indicators and all the members only videos. Head over to the website tradingwithanthony.com, and it's 100% free for 30 days. Give it a 30-day trial. Okay, you're not billed until day 30. And if you decide for whatever reason this is not for you, you can opt out, you can cancel if you want to. So 100% risk-free, and you can only benefit, guys. So with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I look forward to seeing you in VIP.